Let's in the meantime take a look at another breaking update which is coming in. This is on part of the TDT additional executive officer who's visited the hospital as meeting with those who have been injured and because of the stampede, and TDT officials showing solidarity and saying that they will be providing support to the stampede victims as well. The additional executive officer of the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, who is visited when it comes to the Government General Hospital to check on the health of those who have been injured in the tragic stampede. And what we are getting to know as far as him speaking to the hospital staff and ensuring that all possible medical support is being provided to the victims of last night's disaster, the stampede. So, Varshnini, TDT officials on their own, we are looking at as far as showing solidarity to the victims of the stampede. Of course, many of them who are still receiving treatment and are still admitted.
Absolutely, yes. The TTD officials have taken accountability for the entire incident, and they have apologized for the failure of the TTD to unable to maintain the crowd and to ensure the safety of the devotees who are coming here only to get a darshan of Lord Venkateshwara. And they have also ensured that they will put additional measures in place so that such untoward incidents do not happen in the future. Let's try and get in some words. Sir, are you from the local area? Do you know what happened here yesterday?
We don't.
No, madam.
We don't.
Just come in.
Are you also here to get the tokens for the darshan?
We want to go. We want to move.
Okay. Sir, do you how often do you visit Tirupati? Have you seen such crowd, massive crowd? How do they usually handle the crowd?
Utterly flap by TTD. Not maintenance is not well.
Do you think every time if such important festivals happen, the crowd management is...
Only this time it happened.
Otherwise, the crowd is properly managed whenever...
Properly managed.
Okay. Oh, sir, how is the crowd today? Did you go inside?
Yes, yes.
Is the crowd okay today, normal today?
Normal. It was going on there, not tomorrow, 12th or 13th.
All right. So what we are given to understand is that the crowd was very unusual this time. Usually the crowd is controllable. This time it was too huge of a number, and that is why unfortunately this stampede had taken place is what we are able to understand. So the person who also spoke to us says that they regularly visit to Tirupati, but this is the first time something like this has happened, and they also are here to get the tokens
that has now been put in place. As we are looking at the pictures with Varshini is getting us right from the site where this unfortunate tragedy was reported last evening. Around 6 to 7 lives that we are told have unfortunately been claimed by this tragedy, this stampede. And Chief Minister in a short while from now is also expected to arrive at the incident site. TDT officials there also extending apologies and solidarity with those who have been injured in the stampede. Varshini, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in.